Despite their creepy, crawly reputation, arachnids are fascinating and diverse and extremely important to our planet's ecosystem. Our goal with having the art and science of arachnids here at the Nature Center is to help arachnids become less scary and help you to understand more about them and how beneficial they are to us. When you visit the exhibit, you will have a chance to weave Arachnids' web. Piece together your own arachnid. Get active and come learn the tarantula dance. When you take the time to understand spiders and scorpions, they become less scary. We cannot wait to see you at the Art and Science of Arachnids.